Hi, I'm Jennifer Delisle.
And I'm Monica Flagg, and we're here with Inspire Realty Group at Keller Williams Realty Metropolitan.
We're really excited to present our newest listing here in Londonderry, New Hampshire at 7 Manasquan Circle.
It's about to snow, so let's head inside and take a look.
Welcome inside. This property has 3 bedrooms, 3 baths that have all been updated, as well as various updates throughout, including the kitchen that was done in 2000. They added granite countertops to the 8-foot island, white cabinetry and stainless steel appliances, as well as recessed lighting and a very cute breakfast nook that will stay. The colonial layout of this property offers a versatile floor plan. For instance, the front 2 rooms can either be used as a dining room with a fireplace or a living room with a fireplace, whichever you prefer. There's also a finished basement space, perfect for playroom, homeschooling, and a finished office area with a walkout to the wooded backyard. This property sits on a little bit over an acre on a cul-de-sac location in a beautiful Londonderry neighborhood. This property has some fun touches and unique characteristics. For instance, there is a very cool laundry chute in the master bathroom that leads down to the laundry room, and the sellers have added this unique cutout in the second closet of the master bedroom.
So light, so bright. Here we are in the master bedroom. The sellers have even updated the whole second floor of this home. It features beautiful hardwood floors, a completely updated master bath, and an updated guest bath. You'll stay comfortable year-round because there's baseboard heating as well as central air.
The sellers have beautifully updated this master bathroom with quartz countertops, updated cabinetry, radiant heat in the flooring under the tile, as well as a heated towel rack. There's also a beautiful tile shower with glass doors. You'll love it. There are so many wonderful things if you are thinking about moving to Londonderry, New Hampshire, either from out of state or a few towns over. There's a blend of country with local apple orchards, community with 6 schools and music and events during the summer each week, and also close proximity to 93, Manchester Airport, and Massachusetts. There's a lot of up-and-coming retail as well with the Woodmont Commons development located by Exit 4. For more information or to schedule a tour, feel free to reach out or go to jenniferdelisle.com. Thanks again.
Stay warm. Stay warm.
What was I supposed to say?
This home features unique elements. It's cold though, sorry. I forgot.
I'm Jennifer Delisle.
And I'm Monica Flagg.
I thought you were going to say
What?
Realty Group.
No, I thought you would say that. I like so light and so bright.
Do whatever you want. Should I do it again?